Hello, baby. Get out of here. You bad baby. No. No. Not ready yet. No. No, not yet. Not yet. No. Not yet. No, mister. Wait a sec. I'm not ready. No, I'm not ready, Dad. I'm not ready. Oh, I hear you down there. You stop. You stop it. How am I going to get food ready if you're just bugging me? No, 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 wait. Wait. Okay, you can eat that one there. I'll give your brothers this one. You guys done? Shadow, you're a piggy. You ate all yours and now you're eating theirs. Shadow. Is your belly full? Is your belly full? Hmm? Are you full now, baby? What about you? You full too? You guys can almost fit right in my hand. You're so little. Hi, Shadow. Hi, kitten. Hi, Cuddles. So every morning I come in here and I check on the kitties. I fully clean their litter. I sweep the floor all around their litter. And I also have a litter in their cage. They don't stay in the cage anymore. I leave it open with a snuggly bed in it so they can go in it if they want to. And I just leave a small litter box in it as well in case they want to use that while they're in their cage. We have the bigger litter over to the side. So I clean both of them every morning, every afternoon, and every evening because there's 3 little kitties in here, right? And they poop a lot, they're eating a lot, learning new things. They have toys like you've seen. They've got little balls and scratch posts. Lots of food and water. These 2 are super duper cuddly. They just want, as soon as I come in, they just want to be near me. I feed them, they have dry food all day long. And then in the morning and in the evening, I give them wet food, just kitty wet food. So the black and white one, he has to be fed separate because he will eat really fast and then he'll go and steal the gray kitty's food, these two. So I feed them together, and as soon as the black and white kitty's done, I either lock him in his cage or I hold him so he can't go and steal their food. So the gray kitties we have actually had for 1 week today. So that's really cool. So they're almost 6 weeks old, approximately. They could be possibly 5 weeks old, but we're thinking that they're almost 6 weeks old. So we will have these kitties until they're 10 weeks and then they go up for adoption. So it's scary, it's going by so fast. Only 4 more weeks and then they can be adopted. I love having them, but I know that they need to go to good homes and then we can bring new ones in instead of keeping them all. Shadow? What Shadow? You're not having more food. He's going around where I was preparing their wet food, looking for more. That one, he'll just eat and eat and eat, that guy. These little babies, they are just absolutely adorable. Just the sweetest little animals. So they have a whole room to themselves, the 3 of them. They go up on the bed if they want to. They climb around any of the furniture, really, that they want to. And then they go into their bed. Here, let's see. You want this? You want that? You want that one? Doo-doo. Doo-doo. They are locked away from my 3 cats, so we do own 3 cats. They are not allowed to be near them until they've been here for 10 days. So we isolate them just in case they have any sicknesses that could be passed to our kitties. They have been here 8 days today, so only a couple more days and we can introduce them to our kitties. I have a couple cats on the other side of the door here that are always there, whining and scratching, wanting to get in so badly. So it's gonna be really cool when we get to introduce the babies to our kitties. I think that'll be really fun. I can't wait. Just a few more days and I'm gonna do it. The only problem is Shadow came in 2 days after these guys, so I might have to go 10 days from when he came in. So it might actually be 4 more days before I can introduce them to my cats. We just would rather be safe than sorry, right? Because that'd be a pretty expensive vet bill if all 3 of my cats ended up getting sick. If they do, they seem like they're healthy babies, these foster ones, but you just never know. What are you doing? Just never know. Oh, hi Shadow. They're so funny. They bring so much joy, that's for sure. So much joy to my life and all of ours. Sam loves playing with them as well, and Jeremy comes in and hangs out with them, and it's been super nice. So I am going to replenish their litter and their food and their water, and then I'm going to go downstairs and start baking. Today I have a few things I've been wanting to bake. Hey kitten. Or are you Cuddles? I don't know. They look identical almost. All right, so I'll clean up and head to the kitchen.
You guys are so tiny. Oh, it's so tiny. I'm the size of a plate. Shadow. Shadow. Hi, Shadow. Hi, Shadow. Oh. Climb it up. Hi, little dollies. I gotta go. Oh. Oh. You can make it, Shadow. Come on.
He wants to play all the time. The gray babies love to just rest. Shadow wants to just play. What are you doing? So one of my favorite things about fall is pumpkin everything. So today I am going to bake a pumpkin roll with a cream cheese middle. I recently made pumpkin spiced muffins and they turned out so good. And we've had a few different pumpkin lattes and stuff, but today I'm gonna do the pumpkin roll. Now, I have never made this before, but I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be yummy, I hope. I did half a teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder in there already. right, so that's gonna cook for about 13 minutes. And I'm gonna sprinkle this cotton kitchen towel with a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Right, I took my cake out, laid it in this, which I had prepared with icing sugar, and now I've rolled it up. So it's all rolled in here. I'm gonna let it cool down, and then I'm gonna open it. In here I have cream cheese, icing sugar, vanilla, and butter. I'm gonna beat it together, and that'll be the icing that goes in the middle of the cake. All right, so now my pumpkin roll has to sit in the fridge for at least an hour. I have it all rolled and it's sitting in there. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. It seemed like the bottom of the cake didn't all wanna come off the cake pan. So it's hopefully gonna hold together with the cream cheese icing. I don't really know. Anyway, it'll taste really good. We'll just cut it in slices and it'll be some sort of a cake treat anyway. It seems like it's gonna taste awesome. Whether it looks that pretty or not, I don't know. So while that's sitting, I'm gonna start on making pickles. This is called Lady Ashburn, and it's kind of like a relish. So you can use it on potatoes or meat. And it's got cucumbers, onions, and then quite a few different spices. Off the top of my head, I know there's mustard seed, celery seed, and turmeric. Obviously salt, stuff like that. So I'm gonna get peeling all these cucumbers. They were given to us by one of Jeremy's friends. I'm gonna peel them, take all the seeds out of them, and chop them up finely. And then chop up the onion and put it in the fridge overnight, and I'll start the pickles tomorrow because they have to sit overnight, so that's why. All right, so I just did like 4 layers of onions and pickles. That's gonna go in the fridge for the night. Here's how my cake turned out. Looks good. All right, now that all that stuff's done, I'm preparing supper. So here I'm gonna bake potatoes in the oven, and I'm gonna make them like a lemon potato. So I got potatoes and onion chopped up finely so far. I'm gonna put a little olive oil and some lemon, and then some oregano, some salt. It's quite yummy. And then spray lemon and put them in the oven for about an hour. All right, so it's the next day. I've rinsed my pickles and onions, and now I'm boiling them with, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Mustard seed, celery seed, turmeric, dry mustard, vinegar, sugar, salt, stuff like that. Then over here's my water bath going. My jars. Gonna be good. The finished product. All right, so that's all done. I'm gonna go and get on the treadmill, get some exercise, and enjoy the rest of my day. See you in the next one.